Alright guys, today we got a 2007 Cat D6N LGP. Hours unknown, meter doesn't work. 13 foot 4 inch wide 6-way blade. Runs and works. Needs some AC and heat work. Not sure what's wrong with it. We're going to start it up and run it around. Six-way blade. Winch wouldn't work for us. We don't know if it's something in the controls or linkage or what. Pretty fair undercarriage. The hour meter sometimes comes on and sometimes doesn't, but we didn't get a read on the hours that's on it. And it does have a code. Not sure what the code is for. Starts and runs good. Make a great farm machine. Someone wants a little fixer-upper. If you have any questions, give us a call. We can also get you shipping quotes directly to your door.